We are in New Mexico. North of Silver City at a campground called Mesa Campground. I'm just dodging the rain in between drops. Gonna go pay our fee for camping here. And the cool thing is, electrical hookups. And it's just $15 a night, but you can't beat that. It says there's water right there, but I didn't use it because I don't need it. Got my Starlink set up so I can watch movies and things like that. All right, I better get up there and pay for our spot because
We pay for our spot before we get evicted.
yeah, we might get evicted. We're way late on. We're like 2 hours late on getting up there with the payment. Although they know where we are, and we are in spot number lucky 13, and that was just by chance. We didn't pick that spot. Well, we picked the spot, but we didn't pick that number. So this campground is pretty convenient to the Gila cliff dwellings, if you wanted to check that out. And there's also, can't see it from here, but there's also a lake called Lake Roberts that you can go boating in and fishing in. So they have spots that are $10 that don't have hookups, or $15 with hookups. So if you have a power station, you can get a plug-in one for $5 extra and charge up your power station. And all the spots here have a table, a fire pit, and one of these built-in barbecue grills. And it's clean. Haven't seen a whole lot of trash around here. Bottle cap here and there. And there are restrooms at the front of the campground with actual flushing toilets. So it's not like pit toilets. So I'm gonna put the money in this deposit box right here. And there we go. That's $30 for us for the next 2 nights. This is actually we stayed last night too, but we paid for last night yesterday. So this will actually be 4 nights for Ron, because he got up here before me. And 3 nights for me, because I actually camped in just a lot that I found on the side of the mountain road. I got there, didn't get there till like 10 o'clock at night, so I just pulled over there. But it's the Gila National Forest, and you can do that. So tell me in the comments if you guys have been to the Gila National Forest or even to Mesa Campground, right next to Lake Roberts, or if you've been to the Gila cliff dwellings. I haven't been there for a while. I've been a couple of times, but not for about 20 years. Ron was going to go today, but because of the rain, he may not make it. So I had to duck out of the rain for about 10 minutes. Thought I was going to be stuck inside just editing since it was raining, but I'm going to try to get you guys down to Lake Roberts so you can at least see it. And I can see it kind of peeking through the trees, so we're pretty close, and the thunder's starting to hit again, so I'm going to hurry up and get this done. So we gotta hike a little trail, short little trail, to get back here. We got some flowers blooming on the side of the trail. And I don't think I'm gonna go all the way down to the lake, but I just want you guys to see it. Well, this is good. This is a good spot right here. And on this lake there is a hotel, there's cabins, there's at least 1 gift shop and 1 general store around the water. It is so nice after spending an Arizona summer right here. I mean, not that we've stayed there the whole time, but whenever you're there, it's hot. We could try to make it down that trail there. I don't think I need to. I think we can see it from here. That's Lake Roberts. I guess you can get that close to the water if you know where you're going. So that's the little hotel right there that I was talking about. And there's the, Lake Roberts Motel, I guess it says. There's Lake Roberts Country Store. Alright, fun seekers, this is going to wrap it up for another episode of Fit for Expedition. Half of your host team here, Greg. Kelly's not with me this time, but she'll be with us soon again on another excursion. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here.